Hey YouTube, today we will be reviewing the brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black. This camera came out today, October 15th, 2019. I pre-ordered it and it arrived today. And pretty sweet. 12 megapixel camera, 4K, 60 frames a second. 33 feet underwater, 1080p live streaming, and it features the brand new Hypersmooth 2.0. And it just shows the app. Here's some more things. Let's open it up. Here's what's included. We have cool quick start guide, manual, stickers, camera, battery, USB plug, and adapter. Let's test this sucker out. It's pretty similar to the Hero 7. It's different. I can tell it has a different shell on there. So this pulls down. Oh, and there goes the battery. Oh, so on this one, I believe that this is built in. So we have this, and we have this built in on here, which is pretty cool. That's nice. We don't have to always go looking for those. And there's the plug-in SD card right there, and the battery. There we go. And we need an SD card. Let's grab one. Alrighty, so I found a SD card. I'm going to slide that in there. If I can get it. I'm going to push down on this and up to lock it. Peel this sticker off. Alrighty, power on. And there it is. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Digital lens. How much of the scene is captured in your shot? Wide, linear, narrow. So that's sweet. Let's stick with wide. Got some different modes on here. Time warp. Adjust your settings and save them as a custom. Presets. And we got a zoom. So that's really pretty cool. Here's different settings. Night lapse. Time lapse. Video. Standard 1080. Activity, slow-mo. There's slow-mo built in, that's cool. Different angles. Super view. There's the new super view. So that's cool. Let's try that. Okay. And here's the new super view on the GoPro Hero 8. So that is very cool. Alrighty. We got time lapse. So those are the time lapse settings. Oh, let's see what else. Let's see what else there is. Photo. And we got timer, output, wide photo, live burst, night. That's cool. And you can swipe down and you have your voice control, beeps, quick capture, on and off, lock, grid, preferences. There's your settings. Here's the screen on the front. Tells you battery, what you're shooting in, and the space on your SD card. So that's pretty sweet. Let's take one more wide photo. Let's try a narrow. There we go. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go shoot some more film for y'all and really test this thing out.
So I'm still, right, it just works, so it seems like a shame to quit, and I don't intend to quit. On the other hand, I'm just doing what I liked when in the 11th grade. And it's no different than that, just there's a little bit more money. I don't know, I'm better at it, but that's all. It's not.
What's up, guys? I'm driving in my car. I'm driving in my truck.
It doesn't matter, but the point
testing this camera out, trying to get some footage, man.
It's just fun.
Oh.
I've made fun with everything
Heads pounding in.
secondary to the thing I was doing that I was doing for no real particular reason.
Should be all right,
but
man.
the advanced problem solving of building a tour bus or starting Emeryland or learning how to record or marketing or doing everything, trying to monetize a podcast, all those things are just fun. It's just fun because they're unique problems and challenges. And so that's the same circuits in my brain as music or anything else. That's the stuff that's fun, right? That we get to go around, learn new things. I mean, the learning has really been the best part. Money to everything. So much experience with that, and obviously it works, and I like it. So, if I'm looking at technology and what's going on, and here's another reason why this makes sense. And I guess I'm going roundabout to get to the idea in itself, but nonetheless. The other factor is I am skeptical of success being numerical and monetary, generally speaking. I don't feel super good about that. I feel good about creating things, obviously. Artistic stuff's the highest value to me. And then down from there, it's working with creative stuff.
Let me know what y'all think. See how that looks.
Solving unique problems as they relate to things like that.
If I must say so myself.
With people. I'm a fixer of people, okay? Same issues. Led to a lot of problems in my life, to be honest. But I like to fix people, but my wife doesn't want everything fixed necessarily. Right. And sometimes I wind up codependent with other people where I feel like I'm helping, I'm doing it for them. I don't know.
That's good.
Because I see people as problems sometimes too. Yeah. I like them. I like people.
Should have brought my camera with me today. I almost had
a into trouble.
Road rage incident with the gentleman.
Ain't going away.
Yeah. Except he wasn't driving a car.
I'm increasingly skeptical of larger and larger.
Yeah, I thought you were really going to tell me we're a loop.
This is the wide angle. The previous frame was the super view.
Not but if somebody needs that, I would love to crack. I mean, if that's one of them, then yeah. Now, here's what I'm really saying. I think this is a way that things are heading in a general way. Yeah. I think it's kind of close to what you do. I think True Man and Honest Night Calls that you do are very much on this. This is what I see this is where I see that kind of stuff going. There's other people, you know, there's these little clubs, there's the Patreons, there's the tips, there's micropayments, there's Bitcoin. All this stuff is coming to everything becomes more and more direct and becomes more and more free and more cheap and more accessible. And if all these things bottleneck, it's not that I think I'm some crazy person that can solve everybody's problems. However, if you're stuck, if somebody's like, let's just say when you do Honest Night Calls and True Man stuff, you know, there's just certain problems where people are stuck. And it helps even more for them to talk to you than the average person because
this is the linear mode
and abilities and interests. It converges on that. You actually do. Now, do you over-help people in your personal life? Yes. Okay, so let's just flip that a little more to the professional side, is what I'm saying. Now, of course, there's counseling and those things. It's a creative problem, and you're stuck. Do you think you can help anybody? I mean, if somebody from Saturday Night Live called you and said, we're stuck here, can you help?
What you're tapping into here it feels creative and like I'm making something. Like, I promise you.
And finally, this is the...
Reva, I had to fight
Hero
hard
mode.
not to give Reva lots of suggestions about where she should move and what house she should live in and
Yeah.
what her options were, because it just naturally comes to my mind, like I'm thinking of something, and it's almost
Right.
like a song. If it,
I thought it was weird. I never heard from you about it.
I had to fight it so hard because I was like, I think I sent Reba the Ringer. I like the Ringer, and I was like, you can move to LA, and there's several options. I was like, I gotta quit this because Reba has her own life, and there is no need for me to do this.